My name is Mike Romanoff, and this is my new kitchen that FineCraft Contractors created for my family. We've been waiting for a really long time to do the kitchen because the kitchen is the heartbeat of the house, and we were worried about being down without being able to cook and to do all the things that we need to be able to do for an extended period of time. And we met with FineCraft, and they gave us a very realistic timeline on how long it would take to complete the project. And they assured us that they would actually set us up with a temporary kitchen as well while the project was ongoing, so that we would still be able to have a functioning kitchen. So it went really, really well from that perspective. I was super impressed with them setting us up temporary. They set us up a sink and a cooking area, and we had a functioning kitchen for the whole time that this project was going on. We met with an architect actually before we met with FineCraft, and we kind of came up with a general design of the kitchen that we wanted to, so it would function the way that we wanted it to. And then we met with FineCraft and came up with, a plan with them. And my wife and I picked out all of the materials. FineCraft referred us to a couple of places during the project, some very good vendors that supplied different things like the countertops and the appliances and things like that. So yeah, we're super happy with how the project turned out. FineCraft was really communicative the whole time. They were responsive. If they had a little app that we communicated with them through on our cell phones. And if we ever had a question, just shot them a message, and they responded almost instantaneously, it seemed like, every time. So anytime we brought up any sort of things that we needed fixed or we wanted it to be redone a certain way, they were very open to redoing it for us. There was never any pushback on that sort of thing. The crew was awesome, very respectful of our home. They always showed up on time and were here like at 7:30 every morning, which is what we agreed upon. They were actually waiting in our driveway, waiting for it to be 7:30. They were never late. When they said they were gonna be here, they were here. And they were very nice people to work with, and we were just overall happy with the project. And now we have a great new kitchen for the next 20 years of our life. It's gonna be awesome. Theo, what are you doing?